let's go home. That way. Go, go. Morning, sunshine. It is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all. So I'm just kind of finishing up my house. I feel the energy to do it today. So I did complete the other side window of the tent. And then small break right now. And then here's Neveah. Hi, sister. Up here. Hi, everyone. She just went out. Yeah, so that's what my agenda is for today. Well, for the morning, that is. So Neveah just threw up. You okay? She just threw up her food from the other day. Some rice, I don't know. Guys, so I'm just gonna go have lunch at Zippy's. This is a local restaurant in Hawaii. Okay, so let's just go over what she is using right now. Okay, no, I'm not gonna put this in your eye right now. I'm just gonna share. So this is what she's on right now. Tacrolimus. So that is what she's on right now for her dry eye. Okay. Okay. So it's supposed to be twice a day, but I've noticed, I know I'm not the doctor, but I know Neveah. So it's supposed to be every 12 hours, but when I do every 12 hours, her eyes are really like squinty. There's mucus coming out. I know that's probably the process of this working for her eyes. She has dry eye. Her first, I want to say her first mast cell tumor removal surgery, I noticed the squinting. So that's almost over a year she's been dealing with this dry eye. But that's what she's on right now. I'm going to try to do 2 times a week. 2 times a day, but you see how she ran away when she seen that bottle? And then this is what she's on as well. Opticare Eye Loop Plus. So this has to be used every 2 hours after that medicine. I just know that medicine, I was reading about it, and it could sting her eye and stuff like that. So she has to get used to it. And then she has a doctor's appointment in a couple days. In a couple weeks. And then she's taking like 25 milligram of the gabapentin at night. Just to help her sleep. The doctor said half 50, but I just want to give her 25 because 50 seems like a lot for the doggy. But sometimes they throw up, as long as they don't keep throwing up. Sometimes they have a sore stomach. It might be nothing, but sometimes you just have a sore stomach and you throw up. So if she throws up more, then it's a concern. But if it's just a one-time throw up, it's okay. But she is just kind of like relaxing now. You okay? Poor baby. She, like, when she had like, well, I'm just making Neveah some rice and chicken. She threw up one more time, so we're just making her this. You okay, sister? Alrighty, so she did go poop again, as she went through up 3 times already. You okay? Yeah. Look at her. She doesn't look good on that That's because I put the eye drops in her eye. Just the lube one. Look at that. So, okay. Okay. Hopefully the rice and chicken will be ready a little bit, and then you can eat and see how you feel, yeah? Oh, my baby. Okay. In the meantime, I just have this one basket that I did not even go through yet. It's just here. Basket. This basket, it just has a lot of stuff inside that I really don't need. Need some, but not all. I'm gonna go through it. So, the first thing I did pull out in there, it was this little back massager. I will keep it. And then this here is like when I had my shoulder surgery. I should keep this so I can do like, my back is so sore because it is so tight. So I'm keeping that. You guys are like going backwards. I know I have a microphone, but I'm not even using it. And of course I have 2 of these. So maybe I might sell one because it's reversible. Now that this hand is good, I can get rid of one of them. And I have this little gloves for exercising. Look, it has little cushion here, so I'll keep that. So right now, I do have pain in my here and in here. So I ordered a brace because when I do ordering, it's like this, right? And then I've got this cold compress. I mean, like it has like a scent in here. I'll keep this. I got this for Christmas. It's like you put it in a freezer and then it gets cold. I got this here. And I got these. I know I should be using all this stuff. And this for my legs. Yeah, I should be using all that. What is, oh, this is a knee brace. Yeah, it has to be a knee brace because she thinks I'm going to put something on her. That's why she moved. Yeah, I want to say this is a knee brace. Okay. Because it cannot be, is it an arm? See, I don't even remember. No, it cannot be an arm brace because that's ridiculous. Okay. And I got this little thing to straighten up my back. Let's try it. Going through things that I forgot I had. I don't know why. I buy all this stuff and then it's like, it just stays in there. That's ridiculous. I don't even remember how to, oh there, just like this for now. Let's just use it for now. I got this to, the idea was there, but nothing happened of it. This. Don't know. And I got this too. That can go under my feet maybe. Keep rolling it around. I got more of these. These were all like when I was doing physical therapy and stuff. Okay, I don't need this. This you can put the ice pack in and then wrap it around wherever. Oh, okay. I think this gotta go to my mom's. It is a floaty. Oh, I found my slippers so I can use it so I don't be like walking real hard because I have somebody underneath me. Rubbish. Oh, maybe we can just use this. See how I want to recycle things? Use this to go put this in here. If it can still be used, I will donate it because, you know, sometimes, not the plastic bag, but, you know, like sometimes when you have you're missing something and then maybe I have it. I put it there and then you'd be like looking all over the thrift store and then you'd be like, oh, I needed this piece. That's how my thinking is. And then I got these for yoga. This would be good because most of the time I can't, you know, like do, well, my knees will be hurting. So thank you, boobs. Okay. Oh, this is for the neck. Never just use it. Okay, so we're gonna put this in this little bag here. Another arm thingy. Throw this away because it's like broken. See, I have any kind of stuff in there. That is just the bag, the basket I threw everything in, like. Okay, and then we got this here. This is, see, I can't even do it. Okay, wait. It hurts my hand. So maybe this side, this one. See, I should be doing, like, if I'm watching TV, I could be doing this stuff, right? Okay, this is another hand thing. I got so much of that stuff. Okay, what is this here now? Another. Okay, what is this? Oh, I forgot what is this. I did a video of this. I wonder if it's for my thumb. If it's for my thumb, I just will. I forgot what it's for. But if I can use it for my thumb, then I can cancel that other one. I gotta go back and see what is that for. Okay. I gotta go see. But I feel like, I forgot what it is for, but I feel like it could be used for my thumb. Yeah. We'll see. I gotta go check this out. I forgot what it was for. Oh, it was for my toe because the bunion. Oh, okay. But I feel like it, yeah, the bunion. See, now I remember. But I feel like you can use it for your hand. Nah. There, it's for this. Yeah, the bunion thing gets really sore. It's inside my bone. That shit is sore. Okay. I have a memory after all. Okay. Okay, and then we have this here. I have so much exercise things, it ain't funny. Okay, you can, you know, okay, we're gonna keep all this stuff. Hopefully that I will use it one day. Today maybe, okay. And check this out, another back thing. What's going on here? This is another thing for my back. Ridiculous stuff, like so much stuff. Okay. Yeah, this is another stuff for the back. I got a jump rope here, which I never did use because I don't know, I just never did use it. Okay, let's put that away. You can give that to Lorraine. Okay, and this was a bag, so when I take Neveah out, we can put treats and stuff. And then a poop bag inside, so that's cute. Okay, I got this. I forgot what is the I forgot what the app is to view this, so I gotta check that out. Okay, and I got this. These are stuff to like for your massaging and stuff, but I'm not gonna keep those for your massaging your head. No need that. I'm gonna throw that in there. Oh, missed it completely. This is for your ankles, I want to say. The ankle thing. Okay. Bandana. Okay, my other shoe. Okay, this is another hand thing. Like, really? I never even freaking use them. Most of them. Oh, this one is for the wrist. It's the same thing. Same thing. Cool. Okay, and this here. Can't even do it. I can't even do it. Oh, that's kind of hurting. Okay, I think this is a lint brush. Did I use it? Never. Let me brush Neveah's hair with this. You okay, Baba? She's gonna be okay. Oh, this was her sister's one. Look how old it is. Okay, okay. Oh, what's her name? We're gonna keep this. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if Neveah can smell her. Okay. For the leg, elbow. I don't know what is all this stuff. This is Neveah's mom's one. Okay. Elbow. I forget what is this for. Wrist wand. I don't know what is this for, but I gotta look it up. Okay. One of my HDMI cords. What is this for? Oh, that is for the thing that I have here. See, I have so much stuff. Like, why don't I use it? Okay. Okay, that is everything in there. Okay. Guys, so right now I got the iRobot vacuuming, and then I've got Neveah. I had to make her some chicken and rice. So I'm gonna put it in here to kind of like make it a pate kind of thing. So it's already, you know, better for her. So I got rice, chicken, That's what's going on right now. That will be her food for the next couple days. You know, so she can feel better. That's how it is when you have a dog. Okay, it looks almost like a mush. Looking like right now. So we're just gonna give her some. All right, fighting with the vacuum now. So I'm just gonna give her a little bit like that. Come on, over here. Gonna see if she likes it. I know she's hungry. What? You go eat it. Eat them. Okay, well, you don't want us to watch you. Okay, sorry. Go eat your food, Bubba. Yeah. Ah, now you're acting crazy. Okay, let's just leave her alone.